Hey guys, my name is Asia, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a tie front satin crop top. So if you want to see how to do that, then just keep on watching. So if my voice sounds a little bit scratchy and manly, I did just wake up, so that's why. But let's get into the tutorial. So I started off by making the straps, and to do that I just cut out 4 long strips, and then I folded them in half, pinned them down, and sewed along that edge, and then I also sewed along the top part of each strap. Then to turn the strap right side out, I used this loop turner that one of you guys actually recommended, and it works really well. I'll link in the description where I got this one. It's from Amazon. But I turned each strap right side out, and then I set the straps to the side. The straps are going to be a little bit puffy after you make them, so I just took a flat iron and flattened them out just a little bit. Alright, so moving on to the actual shirt, I used the pattern of a shirt that I already owned, and then I traced that onto the fabric, and I cut that shape out 4 times. So now I'm going to sew on the straps, and to do that I'm going to take 2 out of the 4 pieces of fabric that I had cut out in the last clip, and you're going to want to make sure that the wrong side of the fabric is facing up. Then I measured out where I wanted to put the straps, made a mark, and then pinned down 2 of the straps. Then I placed the second piece of fabric on top of that first one, and then I folded it down, pinned it into place, and sewed it. And then I repeated the exact same process for the last 2 pieces of fabric. And then just to show you, this is what it should look like once all 4 pieces of fabric are sewn together. So now I'm going to connect all 4 pieces of fabric, and to do that I just stacked them on top of each other, and then I sewed down the right and the left sides. And then I went ahead and hemmed the bottom of the shirt, and I rolled it up twice just so that it wouldn't fray. So this is me attempting to install a zipper, and I had no idea what I was doing, so I'm not gonna go into detail explaining like what I did because it was wrong. But once I learned how to properly install a zipper, I'll definitely make a tutorial, but in the meantime enjoy me struggling to do this. Next up we have the tie strap. So I just cut out a pretty long piece of fabric. It can be as long as you want it to be. I cut that out, and then I folded it in half, and then I sewed it along the edge as well as the very top of the strap. Then using my handy loop turner, I flipped that strap right side out. And then I straightened out the strap so that it was nice and flat. And finally, I tied down the strap to the center of the shirt, and you can sew it directly onto the shirt if you want to, but I decided to just leave it tied. And here's the final result, and I just love how this looks. I love satin. I think this looks so pretty. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thumbs up this video if you like DIYs, and I will see you in my next video.